The LHBMET Cordless Pressure Washer offers impressive cleaning power with its high-performance brushless motor that delivers up to 1,080 pounds per square inch. This versatile pressure washer features a 6-in-1 sprayer head, allowing you to adjust the spray angle for tasks ranging from car cleaning to garden watering. Its cordless design provides the convenience of portability, eliminating the need for external power sources, and making it easy to use in various locations. Equipped with a long-lasting battery, this pressure washer can operate for over 1.5 hours, ensuring you can complete extensive cleaning projects without interruption. The LCD touchscreen enhances user experience by displaying the current gear and battery level, making it simple to adjust settings as needed. Safety features include automatic power cutoff in case of overload, and each unit undergoes rigorous testing for reliability and performance before leaving the factory.